Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Git installed, SSH or HTTPS access to remote, and your editor set. First, set user. Name and user. Email so history is clear, then create a purposeful Git ignore. Next, stage only meaningful files with Git add a, commit with a concise message, and immediately create a feature branch with Git checkout b feature/name. Once done, push that branch to the remote so you have a backup and collaborators can see your work. You now focus on disciplined workflows. Commit atomic changes often and write imperative messages like add login validation so reviewers understand intent. When your branch grows, use Git rebase interactive to squash or reorder commits for a clean history, but make sure the branch isn't shared before rewriting. Also, fetch and Git pull rebase frequently to replay your work atop the latest remote, which reduces complex merges. If you need a safe merge, create a pull request with tests and a clear description. You finish by opening a pull request, ensuring CI passes and addressing review comments. Then merge using the team's preferred method, squash for tidy history or a merge commit for traceability. After merging, delete the feature branch and pull main to update locally. If things go wrong, use git revert for published commits or git reflog plus git reset to recover lost work, but make sure to communicate any rewritten history. One tip: before pushing, always run git status and git diff to catch surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.